chicken Chinese, which is the easiest, and as you can see, the ingredients are very minimal. Okay, so first we have garlic. This is 1.5 tablespoon, ginger 1.5 tablespoon, salt, this is half a teaspoon. Then we have honey, 5 tablespoons. We have soy sauce. I'll show you this, the quantity as we're putting it in. We have the green pepper here. We have the onions, and as you can see, the way I've chopped them are different. Maybe another time I can show you in a video how to do this. Then we have this is a whole chicken cut into Chinese. So most of the butchers, in terms of cut into Chinese, they'll cut for you. Again, back to the green pepper. This is 1 green pepper. This is 1 onion. It's more than enough for 1 whole chicken. Okay, so we'll start with I've heated up the oil for about 2-3 minutes, which is fine enough. And the first thing we're gonna put the honey, which, remember guys, it's 5 tablespoons. What can substitute honey is sugar, but I prefer honey. If you cannot find honey, this is pure honey, you can get the sugar. Okay, so let's mix it in well. See, as you can see, it's starting to boil. It's supposed to be this way. As it starts boiling up like this, it's ready. So you now put in the garlic and the ginger, of course. And you see, it's already starting to give you an aroma. Perfectly fine. See that golden brown? It's perfection. As it heats up like that, you see it's heating up well. Add in the green pepper. And now let it cook. The green pepper is supposed to have this golden, the honey is supposed to become golden on the green pepper. So we'll cover it up and give it a few minutes. Okay, let's check on it. As you can see, the capsicum, the green pepper, known as also capsicum here, you can see it started to become goldenish. It's removing all the water. You can let it heat up for a bit, at least 2 to 4 minutes. Not yet, this is not yet. Okay, as you can see, we covered it up for about 4 minutes and it started to become golden brown. So immediately you add in the chicken. Even the chicken has started to become brown. That's the perfect. You can lower the heat a bit. Lower the heat a bit so it's not too hot. Once the chicken has started to brown up like that, remember it's not ready in as yet. We add in the soya sauce, about half a cup. And remember, soya sauce already has the taste of salt. You can see. We're gonna add in a bit of salt, just a bit. Maybe this is too much also. But just a bit, because already soya sauce have a salt taste. And then now we're gonna cover it and let it cook for about another 15 to 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, we've just checked on it to see how it is, and it's going in well. And I love the aroma it's giving. Cover it up, let it just continue cooking. Okay, yes, our chicken is ready. Check through it. And now we're gonna off it. As here in Kenya, we love using coriander, yeah, to garnish. Okay, not only Kenya, but everywhere. But here we're gonna garnish it with our onions, our red onions. And then we're gonna cover it for about another 5 minutes and mix it up. This makes the onions crunchy and sweet. So we cover it up for about 5 minutes, then we can serve it. As you can see, the onions are giving such an amazing aroma. Let us serve it. Bon appetit, and our chicken Chinese is ready. You can have it with the Chinese rice, and if you'd like to know how to make the Chinese rice, you can comment below and I shall make it in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.